Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, we are from Group 2 and this video we will discuss about our project with the title
Analysis of Profit Optimization of Proceeds Salak Pondok Provision in Desa Wisata Purwosari that we get the reference from Havina thesis 2022 with simplex linear programming method.
And before we start our video, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Wai Johari with last 3-digit number student ID is 021.
My name is Aulia Ramatwiza with the last digit number is 109.
My name is Fadar Afina with 3 student ID is 115.
My name is Ilham Septian with 3-digit student ID is 055.
And let's go to the video.
We start from the introduction. We know that the COVID-19 pandemic has been passed and had a significant impact on the economy. It's verified by Nalini in 2021 that all countries worldwide, including Indonesia, experienced a considerable economic impact due to the COVID-19 outbreak. Malau et al. In 2020 also stated that because of COVID-19, economy and business has led to increasingly competitive competition. So to respond this, business stakeholders must take appropriate steps promptly to ensure the survival of their business. They must have appropriate strategies to address the challenge arising in the business world. The strategies can be implemented from the initial planning phase. In this phase, they can anticipate and minimize business risk. They can refer to economic principle. It is whereby minimal capital should yield maximum profit. So, to obtain the precise and accurate result, they must have systematic calculation. It also say Rahman in 2022 that more accurate calculation of product cost will help provide an overview for companies regarding the profit they can achieve. From the case that I say above, there is a real-life case of similar business impact by the pandemic that is discussed in Hanifah's thesis, a graduate of Semarang State University in 2022. In an article discussing her thesis, Hanifah addresses a case involving a salak product processing company in Purwosari Tourism Village. The company produces various processed salak products, and Hanifah aims to maximize the profit from each type of processed salak. To maximize the production profit, it is essential to determine the correct composition for each type of salak product process. Through careful calculation, Hanifah seeks the minimum production cost so that the price difference between sales and processing cost is maximized. The calculation were done using the simplex method, but manually and with the assistance of POM-QAU software.
The next is the method. This report will explain the search for the optimum condition of the problem using the simplex method manually and with the help of the POM-QM application. The data in this report are taken from the problems in the thesis of Havina 2022. This report makes a simple simulation of the problem in Desa Wisata Purwosari by only taking 5 product variables like the dol, oseng-oseng, madu mongso, sambal, and kolak. The problems of the constant function is only taken based on the limitation of production capacity, which is changed from packs to grams. The problem of minimum production was not added to this report. The profit written down is made into profit per gram from the original profit per pack. The recipe of each product was not changed to gram or pack. This will make the value of each variable will still come out with a pack.
Okay. In this section, I will explain about result and discussion. Okay. In this section, we will find the solution of this problem, but before that, we must know the data from the thesis, Hadina, and some information like the recipe, like the information about inventory capacity, about maximum production, and the profit. Okay. The first, we need to know that some product needs different amounts about the recipe. Like this one, the doll is use the 81,33 salads. This in gram of our pack or gram of our pack. So in one pack of the doll that use salad is 81,33. So this is section will be used to make a constraint function that the total of its salad in dodol, salad in oseng-oseng until salad in kolak is must be less than in this one 16,5 kilogram of salad. Okay, like this one. This is the constraint function about the total of its products to salad. It must be less than or equals 16,5. And like this one, this is stated maximum production of limited. The doll it must be less than or equals 12 kilogram. Oseng-oseng must be less than or equals 8. Until kolak it must be less than or equals 8. Okay. So to solve this problem, we have to type to solve. This one is manual calculation and this one is POM-QM. Okay. Simplex in manual calculation is like simplex. You must make a initial program, and you find the k column, k row, and until you have k element, and do this until you have the optimum table. The optimum table is when JJ with JJ is non-negative, right? But I will show you in using POM-PM. Okay. If you want to use the POM-PM, you must open the POM-PM, like this one. I'll open the POM-PM. And in the POM-PM, you can add your new project, or because we will use simplex in linear programming, you click this one. Okay. This is the initial setting. You fill the title like product. So, okay. We have, you can see, we have in here, we have 10 constant functions. So you can fill this one is 10, and we use 5 variable like dodol until cola is 5. We find the maximum, and you can setting this one, but we will use the default one. Okay, we click OK, and in this one you must to enter the data from the objective function and until the constraint function. So this is the objective, and the lower is constraint function. Alright, I have been fulfilled this table using this objective and constraint function. So after you fill this one, you can enter at the last cell, and you will get the linear programming result. Like this one. The last row, the solution is the solution for every value of variable x1 until x5. But this one we have a decimal value, and we know that the projection is cannot be decimal because this one is pack. Yeah, 0.64 pack is kind of word like oh. Okay, so to solve that problem, we must use the Excel to find the leftover material. Okay, these are rounded below 28 to 28, and this one 121,21,21,21 and to 121, and we have the leftover material for every material like salak, santan, and vanilla. But if we see the remaining material to the recipe, we can see the salak is not fulfilled to create at least one of the product. So you can say that the solution of this problem is the value of rounded below this one. So x1 is 0, x2 is 28, x3 16, x4 is 121, and until x5 is 64, like that.
Now, from what my friend have explained before about the introduction, the method, and the result, we can conclude that while there is considerable economic impact due to COVID-19 pandemic, like in this case from Hanifa's thesis in 2022 about a case of production of processed salak in Desa Wisata Pulesari. Now, we can solve the problem using simplex method manually, or we can solve it using POM-QM. Of course, it's better to use POM-QM because it's more simple than we calculate it manually. Now, based on the calculation result, it is known that if the producer doesn't need to make dodol and it is needed to make oseng-oseng as much as 26 packs, madu mongso 50 packs, sambal 121 packs, and then kolak 64 packs. As a follow-up, the production can reduce the inventory of salak by 9.84 grams. Santan or coconut cream is 1.74 grams. By gula merah by 39.21 grams, and sambal by 1.59 grams, and vanilla by 22.62 grams. Okay, that's all from us.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for watching our video. See you, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.